Today I'm taking you inside one of the most incredible landmarks in Abu Dhabi, Qasr Al Watan. Just look at this palace. The architecture, the huge white domes, and the incredible details immediately make this place feel extraordinary. But this is more than just a beautiful building. Qasr Al Watan gives you a chance to experience the heritage, culture, and history of the United Arab Emirates. So, let's go inside and explore it together. As you walk towards the entrance, you can already see how much attention has been given to every detail. The palace combines traditional Arabian design with an incredibly grand modern scale. Look at the marble, the geometric patterns, and the beautiful architectural details around us. And once you step inside, the feeling becomes even more impressive. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the details. What I love about this palace is that the beauty isn't only in the huge spaces. It's also in the small details. The patterns, the calligraphy, the doors, and the carefully designed ceilings. When you slow down and look closely, you start noticing something new in almost every corner. As we continue, we come across another fascinating part of the palace. These exhibits give us a glimpse into diplomacy and the relationships between the UAE and other countries. You'll find beautifully crafted objects, ceremonial gifts, and pieces with their own stories. And this is what makes the experience interesting. You're not simply walking through a palace. And this is where Qasr Al Watan really takes your breath away. Welcome to the Great Hall. The sheer size of this space is difficult to understand until you actually stand here. Look above us. The massive dome, the beautiful patterns, and that incredible chandelier create a truly unforgettable view. And now, let's step outside as the sun begins to set. This is when Qasr Al Watan completely changes its character. The palace lights up against the evening sky, and the white architecture begins to glow. From this view, you can really appreciate the scale of the entire palace. Honestly, this might be one of the most beautiful times to see Qasr Al Watan. So that was our journey through Qasr Al Watan. From its incredible architecture to its cultural exhibits and breathtaking interiors, there's something different to discover around every corner. If you're visiting Abu Dhabi, I definitely think this is a place worth experiencing for yourself. And remember, sometimes the best way to understand a place is simply to slow down, look around, and enjoy the details. I'll see you in the next journey.